Hello, children. Today we have a thrilling and magical story filled with adventure, mystery, and a lesson that will stay with you forever. Have you ever heard of a place that disappears from the world, hidden from everyone until the right person finds it? Well, today's story is about the Forgotten Village of Moonshadow, a place lost in time, waiting for someone to break its curse. It's a tale of courage, kindness, and the power of believing in yourself. So sit back, listen closely, and let's begin this magical journey. The Forgotten Village of Moonshadow. Liam was not like the other children in his village. While others played games and ran through the fields, he spent most of his time reading old books and imagining grand adventures. He lived in a small town near the edge of the misty woods, a place filled with ancient secrets. One stormy night, as Liam searched through his grandfather's attic, he discovered something unusual: a rolled-up parchment tied with a red ribbon. The paper looked ancient, its edges burnt slightly as if touched by fire. His heart raced as he unrolled it. It was a map, but not just any map. It showed a hidden village deep inside the misty woods, a place that was not on any other map he had seen before. The name at the top read Moonshadow Village in bold golden letters. Liam's grandfather, old Henry, entered the attic just as he was studying it. When he saw the map, his face turned pale. "Where did you find this?" Henry whispered, his voice trembling. "It was in that old chest," Liam replied. "Do you know what this village is?" Henry sighed, sitting down on a wooden stool. "I thought this place was just a legend. They say Moonshadow Village vanished hundreds of years ago, swallowed by a powerful curse. No one who has gone looking for it has ever returned." Liam's eyes sparkled with excitement. A lost village, a mystery. He knew at that moment he had to find it. The next morning, Liam packed a small bag with food, a lantern, and the map. His best friend Evelyn, a brave and clever girl, insisted on coming with him. "I'm not letting you go into a cursed forest alone," she said firmly. The two set off toward the misty woods. As they walked deeper, the air grew colder, and the trees seemed to whisper their names. Shadows danced between the branches, and the path twisted in ways that didn't make sense. Suddenly, the map in Liam's hands began to glow. The golden letters shimmered, and a faint blue light pointed the way. "This map is guiding us," Evelyn whispered. They followed the glowing path until they reached an old stone archway covered in vines. As soon as they stepped through, everything changed. The mist cleared, revealing a village frozen in time. Stone houses stood untouched, lanterns still flickered, but there was no sign of life. It was as if the people had vanished in the middle of their daily routines. A basket of apples lay on a shop counter. An unfinished game of chess sat on a table, and yet there was no one. "What happened here?" Evelyn wondered aloud. A sudden rustling sound made them spin around. Out of the shadows stepped an old woman dressed in deep blue robes. Her silver eyes gleamed as she studied the two children. "You should not be here," she said, in a voice like the wind. Liam and Evelyn exchanged nervous glances. "We found this map," Liam explained. "We want to know what happened to Moonshadow Village." The woman sighed. "This village was cursed by a powerful sorcerer long ago. The villagers were trapped between time, neither alive nor gone. Only one thing can break the curse." "What is it?" Evelyn asked eagerly. "The celestial pearl," the woman said. "A magical gem hidden in the heart of the forest. But beware, the sorcerer left behind guardians to protect it." Determined to free the village, Liam and Evelyn followed the woman's directions and ventured deeper into the forest. The trees grew taller, and the air became thick with magic. Soon they reached a clearing where a silver wolf stood, its eyes glowing like the moon. "You seek the celestial pearl," the wolf spoke, its voice deep and powerful. "To prove your worth, you must solve my riddle." Liam nodded, his mind racing. "I have no mouth, but I tell the truth. I can be broken, yet I reveal no lies." "What am I?" the wolf asked. Evelyn gasped. "A mirror. A mirror reflects the truth even when it's broken. The wolf bowed its head. You may pass. They continued onward and soon met the second guardian, a stone statue of a knight. As they approached, the statue came to life. To move forward, the knight boomed. You must show me an act of true kindness. Liam thought for a moment, then removed the small loaf of bread from his bag. He placed it before the knight. I give this to you, even if I have little for myself, he said. The knight's eyes glowed. A heart of kindness is stronger than any sword. You may proceed. Finally, they arrived at a glowing lake. At its center lay the celestial pearl, floating above the water. But before they could reach it, a dark shadow rose from the lake, a monstrous figure with fiery eyes. You shall not take it, the creature roared. Liam and Evelyn held hands. We are not afraid, Liam declared. We seek to help those in need. The creature hesitated, as if sensing their pure hearts. Then, with a sigh, it slowly faded away. The curse had lost its power over them. Liam carefully picked up the celestial pearl. Racing back to Moonshadow Village, they placed the pearl in the center of the town square. A bright golden light spread across the village. Slowly, the villagers began to appear, blinking, confused, as if waking from a long dream. The old woman from before smiled. You have broken the curse. The villagers cheered, grateful for their freedom. The mayor approached the children. You have done something incredible today. Your bravery and kindness will never be forgotten. As a token of gratitude, the villagers gifted Liam and Evelyn a silver medallion engraved with the words, Courage and kindness, light the way. Liam and Evelyn returned home as heroes. But more than that, they carried with them a powerful lesson. Bravery is not about fighting battles. It is about standing up for what is right. And kindness, even in the smallest acts, has the power to break the strongest curses. And so, the Forgotten Village of Moonshadow was forgotten no more, its story passed down for generations. And who knows? Maybe one day, you too will discover a lost village waiting for a hero like you.
Dear children, if you like this story, please like and share it with your friends so they can enjoy it too. If you want more stories like this, subscribe to my channel so I can bring you more fun stories. Bye-bye, dear children.